Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best UTV jack is probably one of the most important tools you can have for maintaining and repairing your UTV, making those otherwise difficult jobs much easier and safer. This video will cover everything you need to know about choosing the right jack for your needs, from the different types of jacks available to the key features to look for, ensuring you get the best possible performance and value for your money. We will also explore some of the top-rated UTV jacks on the market, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. High-Lift Jack UTV 364. This jack is built for your UTV, providing the same quality you expect from high-lift. It's crafted with the same high-quality components as our standard jacks, ensuring durability and reliability. It features a unique gold zinc-coated winch clamp spreader attachment for versatile use. The black powder-coated jack and handle, along with gold zinc-coated hardware, resist corrosion and look great. Its two-piece handle and socket are designed for durability and reliable performance. Safety information stickers, including rated load details and operating instructions, are affixed to the handle for your convenience. What we like. It boasts the same robust build as its larger counterparts, but in a compact size perfect for UTVs. The unique attachment is a real game-changer for added versatility. If you value quality and need a jack that can handle various tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. This part of the product description may reasonably lead one to believe that the materials are the same as the standard high-lift jack but sized more appropriately for a UTV SXS. What it is the standard high-lift jack, and on the 36 jack only the lift bar is shorter. All other hardware and dimensions are the exact same as the full-size jack. This jack has the same capacity as all the other HI-lift jacks rated at 4,660 pounds and max capacity before the safety shear pin breaks at 7,000 pounds. This UTV model, and it is a simple and amazing product to use. Number 4. Polaris RZR Quick Lift Jack. This powerful jack is designed for your Polaris RZR. It easily lifts up to 2,500 pounds, making maintenance a breeze. With a 2,500 pounds capacity, it handles even the toughest jobs. It's built to last and perform under pressure. This jack offers a versatile 7 to 40-inch extension range. This ensures you can reach all your lifting needs. Use the included crank handle, or connect a ratchet or cordless drill for even faster operation. It's designed for convenience. It's compact and easy to store. At only 27 inches long when fully contracted, it takes up minimal space. The included roll bar mount kit makes it easy to secure it to your RZR. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like. This jack is a powerhouse, easily lifting even the heaviest UTVs. The convenient roll bar mount keeps it readily accessible, and the multiple operation methods make lifting a breeze. If you need a heavy-duty solution with easy access, this is your best bet. What people say. Excellent product. Must have to facilitate tire repairs when off or on road. The jack works fine on the rear of the ATV. With a front bumper, the bumper seems to block a lift point in front. Number 3. U5500 UTV Jack. This jack is designed for easy operation on sport and utility vehicles. It's built to be both convenient and durable for all your vehicle needs. Use the crank handle for simple operation, or connect a ratchet or cordless drill for even faster lifting. It's your choice. It's incredibly compact, measuring only 27 inches when fully retracted. This makes it easy to store and transport. It features a weatherproof galvanized finish, ensuring long-lasting performance and protection against the elements. It's ready for anything. With its ease of use, compact design, and durable construction, it's the perfect solution for all your lifting needs. Get yours today. What we like. It's incredibly user-friendly and stores away neatly when not in use. The weatherproof finish ensures it'll last through tough conditions. If you prioritize convenience and durability, this jack is a solid choice. What people say. Sturdy, size is great to store. Works so nice and so simple. Number 2. Tusk UTV Scissor Jack Kit. This kit is your solution for easy lifting and repair of your UTV. It includes everything you need for convenient and secure jacking. It's a lightweight, portable jack, capable of lifting up to 2 tons. The compact handle makes it easy to operate. The jack mount is built from high-quality, powder-coated steel for durability. It also features tough aluminum roll cage clamps for a secure fit. It offers adjustable height, ranging from 3.75 to 18.25 inches, to accommodate various ground clearances and UTV models. This kit is designed for simple installation. You can mount it in just minutes, making it ready when you need it. The kit comes with everything you need, the scissor jack and all the necessary UTV mounting hardware. It's a complete solution for your UTV lifting needs. What we like. This scissor jack is surprisingly lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for quick repairs on the trail. The simple mounting system ensures a secure fit on your UTV. If you want a portable and easy-to-use jack for quick tasks, this is perfect. What people say. This did exactly what we needed it to. It fits perfectly on our side-by-side and was very easy to use. Good product. Heavy duty. Mount works great on my 2017 XP 1000. Works great. Number 1. Tusk UTV Scissor Jack for Polaris RZR. This scissor jack is specifically designed for Polaris RZR Pro XP Ultimate models from 2020 to 2024. It's built tough and provides a reliable lift for maintenance and repairs. Its scissor design makes it simple to operate, even in tight spaces. You'll appreciate the ease and efficiency it brings to your maintenance tasks. It's built from high-quality materials to withstand the rigors of off-road use. This ensures it will last for years to come. It provides a stable and secure lift for your Polaris RZR, giving you confidence while working underneath. Your safety is our priority. This jack is a perfect fit for your Polaris RZR Pro XP Ultimate, ensuring a secure and stable lift every time. Make maintenance easier with this essential tool. Order your Tusk UTV Scissor Jack today and experience the difference. Upgrade your maintenance game with this reliable and easy-to-use jack. What we like. This scissor jack is surprisingly lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for quick repairs on the trail. The simple mounting system ensures a secure fit on your UTV. If you want a portable and easy-to-use jack for quick tasks, this is perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.